Howdy folks, High Value DMD. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, are periodontists surgeons? So if you're a dental student or you're in the dental community, you surely know by now this joke between periodontists and oral and maxillofacial surgeons. There's sort of this rivalry going on, and to tell you the truth, I don't really know where it comes from. So the whole idea is that in dentistry, I guess that there are two so-called types of surgeons. So there's a periodontist and then there's an oral and maxillofacial surgeon. So a periodontist is someone who focuses on the, the health of the gums and the supporting structure of the teeth. So that could be, the periodontium can be defined as the bone around the tooth, or some textbooks, I think I've even seen stuff like the cementum. Definitely the periodontal ligament, the ligament that goes around the tooth. So that's a periodontist. And then an oral and maxillofacial surgeon is someone who, frankly, specializes in surgical procedures of the head and neck, you could arguably say. So they do things such as corrective jaw surgery. They're most famous for wisdom teeth extraction. They do things such as like dental implants, which periodontists also do dental implants, but oral surgeons can do facial cosmetic surgery, such as facelifts. They can do rhinoplasties. They can do otoplasties. They can do head and neck cancer, all types of stuff like that. So anyway, so there's a debate that goes on, sort of a rivalry between periodontists and oral surgeons. And for some reason, hey, this is my experience, but for some reason, a lot of dentists and especially periodontists want to talk smack about oral surgeons, about how they're better than an oral surgeon, or they know more than an oral surgeon, or that they can do a procedure superior to an oral surgeon, such as a dental implant. It seems like a lot of people compare themselves to an oral surgeon. That's kind of interesting. And so there's a lot of just kind of that smack being talked. And so, like, what is a surgeon? Are periodontists surgeons? Well, the answer to that is I don't think they are, but here is why. And so to define a surgeon, there is like accrediting bodies, I guess, so to speak, that make these definitions. Such as, like, there's the American College of Surgeons, or there's the Royal College of Surgeons in England or in Scotland or Ireland or whatever. And so different countries have different definitions, but I decided to go and look up what the American College of Surgeons defines as a surgeon. So when I went on there, I saw typical types of surgeons. I saw cardiothoracic surgery. I saw stuff like dermatology, maybe, and I saw plastic surgery. I saw, general surgery, gastroenterology, stuff like that. That scope of things, like ear, nose, and throat, otolaryngology. So those folks are kind of like the MD counterparts to the oral surgeons. And then, lo and behold, there was oral and maxillofacial surgery on the website for the American College of Surgeons. And I kept looking, but I just wasn't able to find periodontics or periodontology in the American College of Surgeons. So, that to me is proof right there. Periodontists are not surgeons. Do we need periodontists? Absolutely. Do they have valuable skills that all dentists don't have, and that we need a periodontist to be able to diagnose certain things? Absolutely. Absolutely. Is a periodontist better at some things than a dentist? Or is a periodontist better at some things than an oral and maxillofacial surgeon? Absolutely. I'm not trying to downplay the significance of periodontics or their need in the treatment of patient care. I'm not doing that. All I'm answering is that question, and I don't think that they are true surgeons. And I think that we need to stop referring to them as surgeons. And frankly, we need to stop all this ego stroking and all this ego stuff. Every dentist in this community has an opinion, and everybody tries to kind of act all hard and act better than the other. We need to cut it out, folks. Let's not try to act like something we're not. all right? And let's just respect each other, and let's focus on patient care, ultimately. So anyway, what do you think of this video? Do you agree or disagree? Comment. Do you think a periodontist is a surgeon? Tell me why, if you think so. If you agree with me and think they're not a surgeon, well, then how about you let me earn your like and subscription? You can do that as always. Let me earn it. Don't give it to me, but please let me earn it. So anyway, until next time, folks.